Here's how to get your Discord ID on mobile. First, open the Discord app and tap your profile icon in the bottom corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom, open Advanced, and enable Developer Mode. Once Developer Mode is turned on, go back to the Discord home screen and open any direct message or conversation. Tap your profile name within the chat, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Copy User ID to copy your Discord ID to your clipboard. To verify that it worked, open any Notes app and paste the copied text. You'll see your unique Discord user ID displayed. This ID is useful for bots, developers, reporting users, or whenever Discord support asks for it. If you ever need someone else's user ID, Developer Mode also lets you copy IDs from other profiles using similar steps. Just make sure Developer Mode stays enabled while you need access to these options. That's all for this video. Thanks.